right, I had another video on removing the window trim on the Jeep XJ and MJ, and seems like a lot of people were helped by that. So I am going to show you the process I found for refurbishing this trim. Every Jeep I've had has the same problem where it's peeling off and looks terrible. This is my parts rig, there's no hope for it, but let me go inside and I'll show you the process I came up with. So this one's off that parts rig. It's actually peeling more than most of them I've had, so it might be a little easier to get off, but what I've found is you've got the ugly peeling part that of course peels off, and then the rest is still firmly adhered. And I tried razor blades and different things. I was trying to find a way to get it off easily but not damage the stainless underneath. And what I came up with that I practiced on a piece from the parts rig was a die grinder with a roll-lock disc. And I'll go ahead and I'm using the red disc. It's finer than the brown, and it doesn't seem to damage it. Maybe if you just went to town and really gouged it, it would, but I just kind of used light pressure and let the disc do the work, and it left it lightly abraded and did not, it looked just great after it was painted. Here's what a finished molding will look like before you paint it. This is the lower molding that actually is available brand new. The rest of them aren't. And this one comes with the little wiper weather strip that wipes your windows when you roll up and down. So I actually didn't have to do that one. It's actually the most time consuming one as well because it's got this little ridge in it. So you have to be a little more careful. Once all the black was stripped off, I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol, gave it a shot of just aerosol adhesion promoter, and then used this Axalta trim black. I've also used SEM. I think I prefer the SEM, but this one worked well. So here is the finished product on our 89 XJ. It's been about a year now, and it's holding up really well. Looks like brand new. And this lower one is the replacement part that came with the weather strip, but all the rest is the refurb stuff. And it was the same process and the same story on the rear. I refurbished the pieces all the way around, and the lower piece came with the weather strip kit. Hopefully this video helped you out. Make sure to check out our other videos where we actually get out in the woods and use this junk.